Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Lily Vallario, team leader of the Sold by Lily team at eXp Realty. Today, I'm excited to share a recent success story of my latest listing in Maryland and provide some key insights for anyone looking to sell their home. Whether you're a first-time seller or seasoned in the real estate market, these insights will guide you to a successful sale. Here are 5 major mistakes to avoid. Mistake number 1, lack of a comprehensive listing strategy. A major mistake is not having a well-rounded listing strategy, which should include staging. For the home I mentioned, we worked with the seller well in advance to plan every detail. This included deciding on repairs, staging the home to showcase its best features, setting the right price, and even the best day to list the home. Rushing into the market without a comprehensive plan could mean losing out on potential profits. Mistake number 2, skipping low-cost, high-impact repairs. Another mistake is overlooking simple, cost-effective repairs. You don't need a full renovation. Instead, focus on minor fixes that significantly enhance a buyer's first impression. This can be anything from fresh paint touch-ups to updating old fixtures or enhancing curb appeal with some landscaping. Remember, a clean and well-maintained home always stands out. Mistake number 3, neglecting professional photography. A common oversight in the home selling process is underestimating the power of professional photography. High-definition pictures are not just about aesthetics. They are a vital tool in attracting online buyers and increasing traffic to your home. When potential buyers or their agents browse listings online, the first thing that catches their eye is the quality of the photos. Professional high-resolution images create compelling first impressions, drawing more interest and consequently more showings. This increased exposure is critical. It not only enhances the appeal of your home to a broader audience, but it also creates more opportunities for interactions with potential buyers and their agents. These interactions are key to negotiating the best possible offers. In every listing I handle, regardless of the price point, I prioritize professional photography. This ensures the best visual representation of your property, maximizing its appeal and significantly improving the chances of a quick and profitable sale. In today's digital age, where the majority of home buyers start their search online, professional photography is an investment that pays dividends in attracting the right audience and securing the best deal for your home. Number 4, not being flexible with showings. When it comes to selling your home in the competitive Maryland real estate market, one crucial yet often overlooked factor is the flexibility with showings. This aspect is a game changer in how quickly and profitably you can close a sale. Each showing represents a unique opportunity to connect with a potential buyer who might just be ready to make your home their own. Why is flexibility so important? In the bustling Maryland real estate market, buyers often have limited times to view multiple properties. If your home isn't readily available when they are, you might miss out on a perfect match. By accommodating different schedules, you maximize the exposure of your property to a wider range of potential buyers. Flexibility in showings isn't just about making your home available. It's about understanding and catering to the needs and convenience of the prospective buyer. This includes arranging showings at various times of the day, being open to last-minute requests, and ensuring your home is always ready for visitors. Remember, the easier it is for buyers to view your home, the more likely they are to consider it seriously. This approach can significantly shorten your home's time on the market and increase the potential for profitable offers. So for sellers in Maryland looking to make a swift and rewarding sale, remember, the flexibility of showings can be your secret weapon in the dynamic real estate landscape. Mistake number 5, incorrect pricing. One of the most critical yet challenging aspects of selling a home is setting the right price. Incorrect pricing can be a major setback in the real estate process, potentially leading to a longer time on the market or even a lower final sales price. It's a delicate balance. You want to attract a wide range of potential buyers without undervaluing your property. In the dynamic real estate market, understanding how to price your home correctly is even more crucial. The right price should reflect not only the true value of your home, but also the current market conditions. It should be competitive enough to attract interest, yet realistic to ensure a fair sale. For the listing I mentioned earlier, we conducted an in-depth market analysis to determine the most strategic pricing. This involved reviewing recent sales of similar properties in the area, understanding the unique features of the home, and considering the current demand in the market. By setting a price that was aligned with these factors, we were able to generate a significant amount of interest right from the start. But pricing a home isn't just about the numbers. It's about psychology too. Buyers and their agents are often searching within specific price ranges. By setting a price that falls within these common search brackets, your property becomes visible to a larger pool of potential buyers. This approach can lead to more showings, more offers, and in many cases, a higher final sales price. In our case, the strategic pricing not only attracted a broad range of buyers, but also sparked a competitive bidding situation. This not only increased the property's visibility, but ultimately led for a sale significantly above the asking price. A win-win for both the seller and the buyer who found their dream home. To sum up, pricing your home correctly is a key factor in achieving a successful sale. It requires a deep understanding of the market, a strategic approach, and sometimes a bit of psychological insight. Incorrect pricing can lead to missed opportunities, but getting it right can mean a faster sale and a more profitable outcome. Thank you for watching. If you found these real estate tips helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Selling your home can be a smooth and profitable process with the right strategy. If you're considering selling your home in Maryland or have any real estate questions, feel free to reach out. My contact details are below, and I'm here to help you navigate the real estate market. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. For more real estate content, check out my other videos linked here. See you in the next video.